Hey, today I'll be talking about cardinal numbers in Spanish. It's a pretty basic topic, but I still think you may find something new when the numbers start getting larger. Anyway, what are cardinal numbers? These are just the numbers you use to say how many items there are. Examples in English include 7, 3 million, or 94. So, okay, first the ABC, or rather 1, 2, 3. Let's have a look at the numbers from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Simple. Now let's concentrate on the number 1. Notice that we use uno when we count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But before nouns we use another form which looks just like the indefinite article. Un perro, one dog. We don't say uno perro. We say un perro. Una chica, one girl. This is feminine gender. Un lago, one lake. Now the numbers from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Examples. Hay 15 alumnos en la clase. There are 15 students in the class. 12 de los alumnos son chicas. 12 of them are girls. 14 alumnos no usan gafas. 14 students don't wear glasses. Now the numbers between 21 and 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now watch the spelling. They are written as one word. Some examples. Enrique tiene 26 años. Rosita tiene 24 años. Now the tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now, unlike with the 20s, numbers above 30 are written separately. First the tens, and then the units. 31, 52, 33, 56, 68, 85. The number 100. The number 100 can be used in its full form, ciento, or in its shorter form, cien. Ciento or cien. Now, the short version is used when it stands on its own, like here, cien. Or if it's used as a multiplier. For example, 100,000. It's a multiplier because it's equal to 100 times 1000. 100,000. 100 millones. 100 times 1 million. In other cases, the full form is used. 120. 180,000. Now the hundreds. As far as the hundreds are concerned, there are separate masculine and feminine forms. 200 or 200, 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, 1000. For example, 300 chicos. This is masculine gender, so we use 300. Y 500 chicas. This is feminine gender, so we use the feminine form. 300 chicos y 500 chicas. And here's how we combine the hundreds, tens, and units. 120, 236, 451, 785, 522, 1647. Now let's take some bigger numbers. Here are the names: 1000, 2000, 100,000, 1,000,000, 5 millones, 1000 millones, this is a billion, 1000 millones, so we say 1000 million, 3,000 millones, literally 3,000 million. So these are the basics as far as cardinal numbers in Spanish are concerned.
Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.